Hi, it's Hillary Gates, roving reporter, or should I say rolling reporter, reporting to you live from the Bowie Fire Department and the National EMS Memorial Bike Ride. We are at mile 15. Folks are leaving on their bikes right now. And of course, this is a ride that goes from Boston to Crystal City, Virginia, in a period of 7 days, over 400 miles, to honor the fallen EMS providers, those who have died in the line of duty, our loved ones who have made the ultimate sacrifice. I'm here with Brian Shaw from the National EMS Memorial Bike Ride, who happens to be the president.
Thanks, Hillary. Once again, it's Brian Shaw, and I'm from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and this is my 12th year of participating in the East Coast route of the National EMS Memorial Bike Ride, and my 6th year being in a leadership position here. And such a great group of EMS professionals from throughout the country who come together to recognize those that we've lost in the line of duty, and those that we've lost serving their communities with dignity, dedication, and an unwavering profession to their communities.
Hi, I'm Greg Margolis. I live in Bethesda, Maryland. I cut my teeth in EMS in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania a long time ago, and it's just an honor to be back with my EMS friends to honor everybody past and present who wears the uniform and serves the community.
Hi, my name's Allie. I'm from Kansas, and I ride just to support all the people back home that I work with on a daily basis. Also to support all of our honorees and just my brothers and sisters in EMS.
Hi, I'm Kate Passo. I'm from Ashburn, Virginia on my 10th year of riding. And I started riding for Josh Weissman many years ago, 10 years ago. And I ride because the families and the friends of the fallen EMS people need to know we are still here for them every single day of the year.
I'm from Bethesda, Maryland, and I am riding the bike ride this year for my chief, Brian Harisic. He gave his life in the line of duty, his sacrifice and his service, and all of the folks who have lost their lives serving in this great profession.
Hello, my name is Cheryl Middleton. I'm a division chief in the fire department in the city of New York. This is my 5th year riding. I've been riding since 2018, and I do it because I love people and I love making people feel better, and it feels good to families to know that their loved ones are remembered.